Ready to transform your meal prep with minimal effort? Join me as I reveal 7 easy, high-protein air fryer recipes featuring everything from crispy chicken wings to moist, tender, and flavorful salmon. These easy, healthy air fryer recipes are perfect for anyone looking to eat healthier without sacrificing flavor. Welcome to Live Lean TV. I'm Brad Guthrow from LiveLeanTV.com. So on today's episode, I'm sharing 7 high-protein air fryer recipes featuring chicken wings, chicken breast, fried chicken drumsticks, chicken thighs, salmon steak, and pork chops. So we used to always roast or saute our food. However, once we learned about the air fryer, we bought this air fryer on Amazon to see if it lived up to all the hype. So we asked ChatGPT to help us come up with 7 high protein air fryer recipes that take very little prep time and are so easy to make. So all you need is an air fryer and a few common ingredients that you probably already have in your home. And to be respectful of your time, I've included timestamps to each recipe in the video description below. What is an air fryer? So an air fryer is a kitchen appliance that cooks food using hot air circulation to achieve a crispy texture similar to deep frying, but requires little to no oil. So this differs from a traditional deep fryer, which submerges food in a large amount of hot oil, causing the food to absorb the oil and significantly increase its calorie content. So although deep fried food tastes great, it's not very healthy. So using an air fryer is a healthier way to cook since it uses significantly less oil, which reduces the fat and the calorie content of the food. Plus, as you'll see with these air fryer recipes, you can still get the same delicious results with much less calories. So if you think an air fryer is just another kitchen gadget that you don't really need, let's see if these 7 easy high protein air fryer recipes change your mind. Air fryer chicken wings recipe. So we've made other healthy baked chicken wing recipes in the oven before, but I was really hoping this air fryer recipe would be even better. And I also made an easy and healthy Greek yogurt ranch dipping sauce for the wings. Let's find out how we rate this out of 10. Preheat the air fryer to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. In a bowl, toss 1 pound of chicken wings with 1 tablespoon of avocado oil, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika, half a teaspoon of pink Himalayan salt, and half a teaspoon of black pepper. Arrange the chicken wings in a single layer in the air fryer basket. Cook for 12 minutes per side, flipping them halfway through to ensure the chicken wings are crispy and golden brown. So this air fryer chicken wing recipe was my favorite recipe so far. It was crispy and so flavorful. Both Jess and I gave it a score of 10 out of 10 with and without the ranch dipping sauce. We'll definitely be adding this air fryer chicken wing recipe to our meal plan. So if you want an easy and healthy dipping sauce for your chicken wings, try this homemade Greek yogurt ranch dipping sauce recipe. In a bowl, combine the 1 cup of plain Greek yogurt, 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of fresh chopped dill, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, half a teaspoon of pink Himalayan salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Mix well until all the ingredients are fully incorporated. And if the sauce is too thick, add 1 to 2 teaspoons of water to reach your desired consistency. Chill in the refrigerator for at least 15 minutes to allow the flavors to meld together. And serve alongside your chicken wings. This is a healthier alternative to traditional ranch, packed with protein from the Greek yogurt and flavored with fresh herbs and spices. Air fryer chicken breast recipe. Since chicken is such a staple in my diet, I was really hoping this ChatGPT air fryer chicken breast recipe would taste delicious. So after I show you how to make it, Jess and I will give it a score out of 10. Preheat the air fryer to 380 degrees Fahrenheit. Brush both sides of 2 boneless, skinless chicken breasts with 1 tablespoon of avocado oil. Season both sides with 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of onion powder, half a teaspoon of pink Himalayan salt, and half a teaspoon of black pepper. Place both chicken breasts side by side in the air fryer basket. Cook for 20 minutes, flipping halfway through. Let it rest for 5 minutes at room temperature before slicing. So this air fryer chicken breast recipe was so flavorful and delicious. Jess and my initial reaction was 9 out of 10 since the outside piece seemed a little dry. However, when we tried a middle piece, it was moist and cooked to perfection. So this air fryer chicken breast recipe is definitely going into our meal plan. air fryer fried chicken recipe. So I was excited to see if I could make an air fryer fried chicken recipe similar to shake and bake chicken. So after I show you how to make it, Jess and I will give it a score out of 10. Preheat the air fryer to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. In a bowl, mix half a cup of almond flour, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika, half a teaspoon of pink Himalayan salt, and half a teaspoon of black pepper. Dip each chicken drumstick into the beaten egg, then coat with the almond flour mixture. Spray the air fryer basket with avocado oil spray. Place the drumsticks in the air fryer basket in a single layer. Cook for 30 minutes, flipping halfway through to ensure the chicken drumsticks are golden and crispy. This air fryer fried chicken recipe was really good in reminding me of the shake and bake chicken from my childhood. Jess gave it a score of 10 out of 10, and I almost did as well, however I gave it a 9 out of 10. The taste was a 10 out of 10, however since I prefer eating chicken wings over chicken drumsticks, I had to give it a 9 out of 10. Air fryer chicken thighs recipe. If you love chicken thighs, you need to try this air fryer chicken thighs recipe. Preheat the air fryer to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Add 4 chicken thighs to a storage bag, then mix 2 tablespoons of avocado oil, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika, half a teaspoon of pink Himalayan salt, and half a teaspoon of black pepper. Rub the seasoning mixture all over the chicken thighs, then place the chicken thighs in the air fryer basket, skin side down. Cook for 18 to 20 minutes, flipping halfway through. So I gave this air fryer chicken thighs recipe a score of 10 out of 10, and Jess gave it an 8 out of 10 because she said it was just a little bit fatty for her. Air fryer salmon recipe. So if you're looking for a quick and easy way to add more salmon into your diet, you're going to love this air fryer salmon recipe. Preheat the air fryer to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Brush the salmon fillets with 1 tablespoon of avocado oil. Add the salmon fillets to a storage bag, then add the following seasonings: 1 teaspoon of lemon pepper seasoning, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of pink Himalayan salt. Place the fillets side by side in the air fryer basket and cook for 10 minutes. So both Jessica and I gave this air fryer salmon recipe a score of 9 out of 10. Not only was it delicious, I also like that it didn't stink up the kitchen. Air fryer steak recipe. So I have to admit, before trying this ChatGPT air fryer steak recipe, I was pretty skeptical about it. So after I show you how to make it, Jess and I will give it a score out of 10. Preheat the air fryer to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Brush both sides of 2 ribeye steaks with 1 tablespoon of avocado oil. Season both sides of the steak with 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of pink Himalayan salt, and half a teaspoon of black pepper. Place the steaks side by side in the air fryer basket. For medium doneness, cook for 12 minutes, flipping halfway through. Remove the steaks from the air fryer basket and let them rest on a cutting board for 5 minutes before slicing. For this air fryer steak recipe, my initial reaction was a 6 out of 10. However, at the last minute, I changed my rating to a 7 out of 10. And Jess also gave it a 7 out of 10. It was definitely easy, however, in my opinion, you just can't beat a steak on the grill. Air fryer pork chops recipe. So if you're looking for a quick and easy way to add more pork chops into your diet, you're going to love this air fryer pork chops recipe. Preheat the air fryer to 380 degrees Fahrenheit. Brush both sides of the pork chops with avocado oil. In a small bowl, mix together 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika, half a teaspoon of onion powder, half a teaspoon of pink Himalayan salt, and half a teaspoon of black pepper. Add the pork chops to a storage bag, then add the seasoning mixture to evenly coat both sides of the pork chops. Place the pork chops in the air fryer basket in a single layer. Cook for 15 minutes, flipping halfway through. Let the pork chops rest for 3 to 5 minutes before serving to allow the juices to redistribute. This was a winner. I gave it a score of 9 out of 10 and Jessica gave it a 10 out of 10. This proved that air fryer is an excellent way to cook delicious pork chops. So I'll put an Amazon link in the description below to the air fryer that we're currently using. Question of the day. Let me know in the comment section below. Do you have an air fryer? Is it a must-have kitchen item? And which of these 7 easy high-protein air fryer recipes are you going to try first? And if you found this video helpful, click the like button and subscribe for more health and fitness tips. And check out this video here showing you what I eat in a day to stay lean and muscular. Thanks for watching and keep living lean.